Excuse me. Chowder's not here. Please leave a message after the beep. Beep.
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tuolumne County in Northern California, northeastern Sacramento County in Central California, northeastern Stanislaus County in Central California, western El Dorado County in Northern California, southwestern Placer County in Central California, Calaveras County in Northern California, southeastern Yuba County in Central California, southwestern Nevada County in Northern California, Amador County in Northern California, until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Lincoln to Tulloch, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Folsom, Oakville, Auburn, Placerville, Sonora, Jackson, San Andreas, El Dorado Hills, Cameron Park, Paloma, Waterford, Lake of the Pines, Inn, Loomis, Rancho Murrieta, Colfax, Refuge, Valley Springs, Railroad Flat, and Smithwood. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an